health concerns are mounting following the pileup of medical waste at two major public health institutions.
Now, last week, a whistleblower provided our newsroom with the details of the uncollected waste at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Now, more complaints from another hospital.
Nakinski Robinson has this primetime news follow-up.
From the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston to the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, medical waste is piling up.
So unfortunate for an institution of such who has the responsibility to treat with public health. Public health. It's gross dereliction of duty, and it cannot and should not continue to happen. So I'm asking you, without further delay, to serve the necessary notice, because it has been there for weeks.
The concern was raised at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation meeting Thursday. Deputy Public Health Inspector Denise Douglas says the health department is aware of the situation. However, she fell short on how soon the waste would have been removed.
There is in fact a pileup of medical waste on the compound of the department. We have seen it and we have taken action. However, from my understanding, there is a problem with the medical waste disposal facility in Kingston.
Medical waste includes items used to test or treat patients, such as bandages, gloves, swabs, and sharp implements like needles or scalpels. The waste is not dumped at any landfill, but is taken to a specialized facility. Opposition spokesman on health Dr. Alfred Dawes warned of the dangers of uncollected or exposed medical waste.
You may have leakage of these bodily fluids. When rain falls, it may soak through and contaminate the gutters and the surrounding areas. And you may have rodents that may infest, especially an urban area, getting into the medical waste. Dogs, cats, rats can all carry leptospirosis as well as other harmful diseases.
At the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, staff who didn't want to speak on camera say there is a real fear of the pileup. At the Spanish Town Hospital, the waste is stored at the neighboring St. Jago Health Centre. Although tucked away, staff there say the bags are attracting rodents. Residents from communities like Riverlea and Jones Avenue say the stench during the day is becoming unbearable. TVJ News reached out to the CEO of the Spanish Town Hospital, but we did not receive a response. We reached out to the Southeast Regional Health Authority's Regional Director Lascelles Brown, who directed us to the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Permanent Secretary Errol Green directed us back to Sarah. TVJ News reached out to the Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who acknowledged the pileup. However, he was confident that the matter was resolved. Up to 6:30 p.m. on Thursday, the newsroom did not receive a response from the Minister nor Permanent Secretary on the reason for the pileup and how soon the medical waste would be removed. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.